each, and it is for their use and it's about for the families that are there. As we have a conversation with Dr. here about what the government is doing, because at least the county government took on avoiding the bills for the county hospitals. This is a facility of the national government. I don't know what commitments they have given you so far.
What we have received in kind through the Ministry of Health. Therefore, we have not be meeting the bills through the National Disaster Fund or through the ministry. Okay. Yes.
I think you need to take this up with the ministry.
Okay. Daktari.
But it needs to go into safe custody.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yes.
I wanted to find out, of the people you received, have we lost any?
Yes, we have lost. Yes, we have lost 4.
All the who have passed away were brought here first.
There are some which came through Mama Lucy. Those were the ones with a very high percent of burns, over 90% with burns. Yes.
Fine.